to your 17 core profile openGL tutorial. Before we continue, we want our application to be working in Windows and in Mac. So in Mac, the GLFW settings here will still need another hint here, which we did here and we commented. So instead of commenting that line, because we are working on Windows, we don't need this line. That's why we commented it. We commented it before. So instead of doing that, we are going to define hdefine Apple, which is Mac. Apple. So we define Apple. So not define, I mean if define, yes, if define, that's if diff Apple, Apple. So copy this, copy and paste it here, paste it here. So this code will work if Apple was defined. If we're using Mac, then it will uncomment this line, then it will work on Mac. So that is it. And so rendering, we want to place all the rendering command in the render loop. Since we want to execute all the rendering command each iteration of the loop, this will look a bit like this. Every rendering command will be here in the rendering loop. This is the loop. Let me comment here so you yes, render loop. Render loop. So everything will look like, just to test if things actually work, we want to clear the screen with a color of our choice. At the start of each rendering iteration, we always want to clear the screen, otherwise we will still see the results from the previous iteration. This could be the effect you're looking for, but actually you don't. We can clear the screen's color buffer using the GL clear function, where we pass in buffer bits to specify which buffer we would like to clear. The possible bits we can set are GL color buffer bit, GL deep buffer bit, and GL tensile buffer bit. Right now we only care about the color value, so we only clear the color buffer. So in the next tutorial, we are going to give a color, then use that color to clear our buffer, our screen, client area here. So see me in the 17th tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and bye for now.